In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect headphones to Alesis Nitro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any pair of headphones with your Alesis drum kit. So, in order to do this, you will have to purchase any compatible set of headphones. The ones that I recommend are the Alesis DRP100. These are going to be studio headphones, and they are made by the same brand. So as long as you purchase these, you will be able to ensure that you will get one of the best quality audio possible. Of course, you can look into different alternatives, different models, but this is the one that I'm going to be recommending in this video. As long as you have a valid connection type, you will be able to get this done. So if you look at the rear of your Alesis Nitro Max, you will see all of these connection types. All that you have to do is plug the set of headphones into any of these according to what they need. So usually you will plug them into the standard headphone jack, which is also known as the 3.5mm port. So look at the back of your Alesis Nitro Max or any other model of drum kit that you have, and then just plug them in accordingly. Usually it is going to be the 3.5mm one, but this might differ depending on the specific set of headphones that you get. And as long as they are connected, you will be able to power on the drum kit and hear it directly being output to the headphones. There's no secret to this, you simply have to connect them directly and you will be good to go. If you notice that the sound is way too low, this is mostly attributed to the headphones that you are using. So it could be that if you have cheap headphones, they aren't able to derive the full sound of your drum kit. So in that case, it is better to purchase a different model like the one that I'm recommending here. These are going to be studio headphones designed to work with this drum kit. So pick whichever option you prefer and just make sure that you establish the connection accordingly by plugging them in, usually into the 3.5mm headphone jack. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect headphones to Alesis Nitro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.